children, how are you? I hope you are all good. Children, in science, the first unit measurement. We are going to study about the first unit measurement. What is measurement? Measuring something. Okay. You know, no, milkman measuring milk. Do you understand the meaning, ma? Measurement. Okay, the heading of the lesson is measurement. Under this lesson, very beginning, they give some 3D solid shapes. Okay, 3D. 3D means 3 dimension. They have 3 measurements. Okay, what are the 3 measurements in this 3D solid shapes? Shall we read? Volume, density and mass. Okay, what are the 3 values, children? Please tell me again. Tell with me. Volume, density and mass. Okay, there are nearly 6 3D solid shapes given. Have you seen, ma? 1. Sphere. 2. Cylinder. 3. Cone. 4. Cube. 5. Cuboid. 6. Hexagonal. Okay, these are said to be 3D solid shapes. So in your science notebook, very beginning of this lesson, you should draw this 3D solid shapes. Okay. Today we are going to study about the fundamental and derived physical quantities. We are going to study about what are physical quantities and what are fundamental quantities. Okay, today we are going to study about only the fundamental physical quantities. Okay, children? Children, in our day-to-day life, we are measuring many things, no ma? What and all we are measuring? We are measuring fruits, vegetables, food grains, and volume of liquids, temperature of the body, speed of the vehicles, etc. Okay, so we are measuring many things. We are measuring quantities such as mass, weight, distance, temperature, volume. Okay, these are said to be physical quantities. Okay, what are physical quantities, ma? We are measuring many things. The quantities which are used to measure are called physical quantities. Okay, as I said earlier, today we are going to learn about fundamental quantities. Okay, we are going to learn about fundamental quantities. So, in physical quantities are again classified into 2 types, fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Okay, fundamental quantities and derived quantities. The first topic is fundamental quantities. A set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are known as fundamental quantities. Their corresponding units are called fundamental units. Children, listen. Suppose you are getting milk from the milkman. So, how do you ask, children? Give me 1 kg of milk. That milkman may laugh at you. Yes. So, you may ask 500 milliliter of milk or half liter of milk. So, physical quantities which cannot be expressed in any terms, these are said to be fundamental quantities. The corresponding units are said to be fundamental units. Children, there are 7 fundamental physical quantities in SI units. Okay, 7 fundamental quantities. What are they? They mention in this table. Okay, shall we read one by one, children? Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Okay, children, shall we read one more time? What are the fundamental quantities given? There are 7 fundamental quantities. So the length is measured in meter, mass which is measured in kilogram, time measured in second, temperature measured in Kelvin, electric current is measured in ampere, amount of substance is measured in mole, luminous intensity is measured in candela. Do you got it, children? Got it, children? What is the fundamental unit of time? Fundamental unit of time is second. Okay. What is the fundamental unit of length? Fundamental unit of length is meter. What is the fundamental unit of electric current? Ampere. So you must study both the sides, the fundamental quantities as well as the fundamental unit. Okay, children? I want you to write this table in your second page of your notebook. Okay, today I gave you 2 works. First work, draw some 3D shapes. Second work, you should try complete the fundamental quantities and their units. Okay. Thank you, children. We'll meet in second session.